how to scan documents on iPhone, no application needed. Now, a lot of people still think they need a dedicated scanner or a third-party app to digitize documents. But modern iPhone devices already include a built-in document scanner that works surprisingly well. And the crazy part is that many users have had this feature for years without even realizing that it exists. Now, whether you need to scan homework, contracts, receipts, IDs, notes, forms, or business documents, your iPhone can do it directly using built-in iOS tools. No extra app is required whatsoever. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be telling you exactly how you can scan documents on iPhone, organize all of them properly, export them as PDFs, and make them look significantly cleaner and more professional. Now, before we start, it is important to understand how advanced Apple's scanning tools have become. Modern iPhone scanning features automatically detect document edges, correct perspectives, improving readability, removing shadows, enhancing contrast, convert scans into PDFs. For most everyday workflows, this completely replaces traditional scanners. And because it's built directly into the iOS, the process is much faster than downloading random scanning apps filled with ads or subscriptions. Now, there are good apps out there like Cam Scanner or OneScan. All of these applications do their work incredibly. But, of course, the issue is the fact that they do give you a lot of ads and they do take you through a lot of hassle to create one single document. The ways that I'm going to be telling you will not lead you into any of that. So let's start with the main built-in scanning method. You're going to open up the Apple Notes app, okay? So basically, the Notes app allows you to go ahead and create a new note, okay? Now, once you create a new note for yourself, you're going to tap the attachment or camera icon right here. And once you do that, from the menu, you can choose Scan Documents. Now point your iPhone camera at the document, and here is what's going to happen automatically. The iPhone detects the page that you're scanning. It identifies the edges, captures the scan, and enhances the image. Now, you can scan single pages, multi-page documents, and entire packets. Now, once you're finished up, you're simply going to hit save, and the document is now embedded inside of your note. And the quality is honestly impressive for a built-in feature. Now, by default, the scanner often works in an automatic mode. That means your iPhone captures the document automatically when it detects proper framing. Now, this makes the scanning much faster and much easier. The whole streamlined workflow creates a whole generalized look at how you're going to want to do things. Now, this is especially when scanning multiple pages much better. However, if you do want more control, you can switch to manual mode and capture scans yourself efficiently. Now, after scanning, you can actually go ahead and edit the document directly inside of the Notes app. This includes things like cropping. This includes things like rotating, reordering pages, adjusting color filters. You can also go ahead and choose between different types of things like color mode, black and white, grayscale, photo mode. Black and white usually works best for contracts, homework, printed documents because it improves readability and reduces the file size. And also, on Apple's very own website, you can see that you can scan a document in Notes. Open Notes, select a note or create a new one, tap the attachments, then tap Scan Documents. You're going to place your document in view of the camera in iOS 26. You can also select options such as flash or an image filter. Now, if your device is in auto mode, your document will automatically scan. If you need to manually capture a scan, tap the shutter button or press one of the volume buttons. Tap the done button or add additional scans to the document. Now, you can also go ahead and use files to scan documents, but we're going to get into that later on. Now, basically, here's methods that people completely actually miss. You can also scan documents directly inside the File app, as I mentioned. What you're simply going to do is you're going to be going ahead and opening up your Files app, okay? And on the Files app, you're going to tap the three-dot menu. The three-dot menu that's going to appear in the top right of your Files app. Okay, right here. From here, you simply click on Scan Documents. Now, this workflow is excellent if you want scans saved directly into folders instead of notes, especially for business organizations, school documents, and cloud storage workflows. Now, another extremely useful feature is digital signatures. After opening a scanned PDF, you can simply go ahead and click Markup. You're simply going to go ahead and select the signature tool and add your signature directly on the document. This basically turns your phone into a portable document workstation where you can do multiple things in one go as you keep going on. Okay, and that improves your workflow so much better. It gives you a much cleaner and much neater work ethic and gives you the best type of documents that you can work with. Now let's improve your scan quality. So for cleaner scans in this scenario, do make sure to use good lighting, avoid any types of shadows, place documents on a flat surface, and keep the camera steady. White backgrounds and strong contrast also help edge detection work better. And if the document is glossy or reflective, slightly angle the phone to reduce the glare. Now, a lot of people scan in poor lighting, they capture blurry pages, or they forget to crop properly. They can also go ahead and use random third-party apps unnecessarily. The built-in iPhone scanner is already powerful enough for most workflows. You just need to know where it is and how you're going to go ahead and function it. Students use different types of scannings for homework, notes, assignments. Businesses are going to use it for contracts, receipts, or invoices. And creators are going to use it for digitizing sketches, organizing ideas, or sharing documents quickly. Now, once you start using this feature regularly, it becomes one of the most useful hidden tools on the phone. Now, your iPhone is capable of much more than most users realize, and built-in document scanning is one of the best examples of that. So instead of downloading unnecessary apps or searching for scanners, you can handle most document workflows directly inside iOS in just a few seconds. So, once everything is finalized, do make sure to recheck it all again. And what you can do is you can recalculate all the steps by watching the video from the start. Make sure you didn't miss anything out, all the ways, all the guides, and all the tutorials that I showed you. Do make sure to follow them and follow the steps carefully, and you should reach the point where you need to go to. So, apart from all of that, that is pretty much the end of the video. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. And if there are any questions in your mind that you would like to ask regarding the video, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be answering them for you right away. Apart from that, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.